everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel, Nurturing Life by Marston. Today we're gonna talk about, I will be making a breakfast. But before I make the breakfast, I need to clean this jar. This is a jar that we bought from the supermarket. I had some chocolate spread here, so I'm gonna use this. I have already one cleaned, as you can see. Now I'm gonna clean this, and then I will pre-soak the chia seeds here. And then I will continue with the preparation of the breakfast. I will guide you all in all the steps so you can do the same. This breakfast is very nutritious. It has around 45 grams of protein and it's just around 350 calories. For me, it's a perfect morning breakfast. I'm doing one for me, one for my girlfriend. Since we have a very busy schedule, we are cooking every day in advance. So we usually like to prepare very healthy meals. We are usually trying to do 50% veggies, and then from there we're gonna take our minerals, vitamins, fiber, and then we most probably use some sort of meat, either beef, chicken. We use also salmon. Sometimes we do risotto with seafood, with tuna. Depends on the day. But usually we have always prepared meals. We never buy, always use pre-cooked meals at home. We enjoy the process. We also go to the gym, train. So obviously we like to feed our bodies the same way. Now I will clean this jar and I'll show you. See how clean? Both jars are good and clean. Now we can start with the pre-soaking the chia seeds. I have a lot of chia seeds. We can do 1, 2, so I have 2 and 2 for her. Okay. That's perfect. Now we're gonna add water. We mix it and let them soak. So I will leave them around 20 minutes inside, and then I will prepare the next ingredients and I'll show you what you need to put inside. So, you catch me? Yeah, I eat chocolates as well. It's a very nice chocolate. It's a gift from my daughter. So this is the meal that we have for work, you see? And some rice. So we need, as you can see, it's very protein powder. For myself, I wanna use this cereal. We have raspberries. These are frozen raspberries. You can buy frozen raspberries. It's a bit cheaper than getting the normal raspberries. And this, they preserve all the nutrients, so don't need to be worried if it's frozen. Because actually this even preserves more nutrients than the fresh ones. Because the fresh ones, they pick them up, they stay in containers for some time. Some of them they get even mold if you check them well. And these are picked and immediately frozen, so all the nutrients are here. I've been using this for years and it's an amazing product. So let me see how much we kill. I'm gonna use the scale so you can see my measurements. Back to my working desk. So I'm gonna switch on the scale and even it out. Okay. Usually per jar I put 150 grams of Greek yogurt, so it's gonna be 300 grams in total for both of us. In this house we are using Greek yogurt and eggs a lot. I think we can open a chicken farm. This protein powder tastes amazing. I'm not advertising anything here, so just to let you know. It's vanilla flavor. 2 scoops. It's not 2 full scoops. It's like 1.8 if you want to be exact. You can put 2 scoops or 1 full scoop. I'm just doing it as I want. But for you can do, example, 150 grams of Greek yogurt. You can do 1 full scoop. You have around 22 grams of protein per scoop. In the Greek yogurt, you have 6 grams per 100. So 6 and 3, you have 9 grams here, plus 22, you have 30 grams. And then you have in the chia seeds, and you have something here. So it will round up around 40 grams approximately, with how I'm doing it right now. But you can always add a little bit more. Mix, mix, mix. For breakfast, but I want to eat it now. I have that issue in the night. Usually I prepare in the night my breakfast, as most of the time I want to eat it at the same time. Now look at this. How nice. And when you put this and then you add a little bit of this jam, this is 75% fruit. This is raspberry jam. It's amazing. I don't recommend you this because this have extra sugar, but I will do it. I don't care. She wants to be on diet, so I'm trying my best here. And she also wants it layered, so I cannot make like, you know, everything mixed together. Like for me, I mix everything is okay, but for her it needs to be layered like a cake. So I put chia seeds, and I put the yogurt, and the jam, then the toppings, and that's how it needs to be. So I'm gonna do it like that. Let's check the chia seeds. Okay, they are soaking. I think they need maybe another 5 minutes. I want them bubbled. I see a lot of people, when they do these recipes, they just put the chia seeds, they put the yogurt and everything together. I don't know how that is, because for me, if they don't have the water, they don't bubble up. It never worked. And I tried with milk as well, it didn't work properly. With water is the best. So this is okay. Now we wait. Okay, I think it's time. By the way, look at my shelf. Amazing. So, it's time to work. This is ready. Now we need to build more muscle and lose fat. It's very difficult. It's possible. Look at this now. I will show you. First, I need to make sure that it's visually appealing. Okay. So, you see this layer? The chia, and then the yogurt. Now, for myself, I'm gonna add around 20 grams of the cereal. I don't need to measure, I already know. Okay, now it's very nice. Cover, do you want for you? Cereal? No? Okay. another thing in our house, we wash a lot of dishes all the time. I don't know how, but we are washing every day. A full dishwasher. So, 1 scoop for her, and 1 scoop for me. I think it's around 25 calories per spoon. Worth it. 25 calories, very worth it. Now, mix it in here. And I like to keep it on top. Now the raspberries. We just bought a fresh bag of raspberries. I love this. See how nice. Look at this. So here this is the healthy breakfast. Look at these 2 jars. Here we have even less than 350 calories because she don't like the cereal. And I think I have maybe around 350-380 calories approximately. But it's all worth it. This will keep me full up till lunch. So usually I wake up at around 7:30. Then we go to work, I take my coffee, and around 9 I take this breakfast. Then up to noon, 12, I'm full satisfied. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video obviously. And check out my book. I also have another books. I'm gonna put links in below. And maybe I can talk in a different video about my books. And if you're more interested regarding the different recipes, I can show you because I have plenty of them. Thank you very much and good evening.